So we all need clothing, we all need to have our stuff in a bag, we all need at some point in time, maybe we're going to drink some coffee, some tea, or just need a mug to drink off. So I decided to create a quick, easy swag you can go ahead and buy if you want to do that. YouTube offered me a free program that I can go ahead and try out. If it works for me, I will continue. At the current moment, I'm working on some logo stuff. They are being processed at the current moment, so when they will be released, I cannot say. For now, I decided these kind of, things like security in mind, ethical hacking, or Nmap, Hydrocali, I use them all. It's going to be the two different kind of text we can choose from. And you can get them on hoodies or, t-shirts or coffee mugs, stuff like that, okay? So I think you can also go ahead and look at stickers. Yeah, you can do that. So that's something you can stick on a wall. And the accessory part, we'll talk about that. For women, t-shirts and hoodies. They come in different sizes for men and women, as you can see. And you can browse all the products. You can choose size up to 5XL and down to small, different kind of colors. I think it's a really good place, to start out. So I'm going to try this and see if we can, earn a little bit extra to buy some more stuff. I really want to create my own Raspberry Pi server farm to create my own hacking lab, and then I can, maybe buy a better camera at some point where I can actually with a stand, because it's one of my dreams is to have a really good camera that can be on a stand, so I can put it on the table, and then let's say I buy 5 Raspberry Pis kits, and then I show how to collect them all and assemble them, and how to install software on it, so you can really follow on what I'm doing. So I can create better videos, more content. At the moment I'm kinda stuck to the chair here, and this is really good, I got me this far. It's still gonna take me further, but I'm still dreaming about different kind of things, so I'm trying different perspective. If you don't like it, it's no bad feelings about that. This is just one way of me saying, hey, this is a way for me to reach out to you guys and say, if you want something that I did some work on, well then this is the way to do it at the current moment. So yeah, anyways, short video, just want to talk about and present this new way you can buy some clothing. I'm gonna earn a little buck from it, so if you do that, thank you, and money will go to buying equipment. Alright, so see you again online, have a really nice day, and keep hacking.